Take Adlib. Oh! Oh! It sounds amazing! Wow! Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna take a look at one of my favorite retro computers in my collection. The Compaq Pro Linea 4-25S. Now, back in the days, back in the early 90s, mid 90s, when it said stuff like this on the model number, on the name, you could actually, most of the times, find out about the speed of the computer. So 25, maybe it was a 25 megahertz, 4, maybe it had 4 megabyte RAM, S, maybe it was a SX version, 486 chip, 386 chip, we don't know. But most of the times, I love when they did stuff like that. So this computer, why do I love it that much? Why is it so special for me? Of course, we have the design. If you're a long-time subscriber to my YouTube channel, then you know that I love the desktop cabinets. I love them. And they have to be as low as possible. This one with for one optical drive and one floppy here. This is just the ideal height of the cabinet. It's just pure love for me. I love the chrome text here. I love the details here. I love that it doesn't even have a CD-ROM drive here. We have on and off indicators and hard disk reading lights here. We have the 1.44 megabyte floppy drive, which is a must on these old retro PCs. And we have a very satisfying AT-type on and off switch. Now, through this YouTube channel, I have gained extremely nice friendships over the years, guys. This one is not for sale. It has never been out for sale, but my guys has offered me, oh man, so much. One of them has offered me his accelerated Commodore Amiga 1200 with an accelerated card in even trade with this computer. I mean, if I said yes, it would be a bad deal for him. I feel like it, but I said no because the condition of this is just beautiful. It hasn't been cleaned yet, so you can see it's a bit dark over here, but stuff like that will disappear once I start cleaning this on part 2. I've had this computer, I think I got it back in 2019. So I had it, for about 3 years now. And still not clean, as you can see, it's dusty. But other than that, a little bit of dust. Other than that, the condition, I love it. We're gonna open up and take a closer look inside. As you can see, we have this little AT power supply. We have got PS2 joystick and mouse connectors. We have got the serial ports, parallel ports, and here we have built-in VGA. And if we take a closer look, this VGA cable, as you can see in the middle, it has got this little thing missing. So yeah, we have got a sound card also, and expansion bay number 1, 2, and 3 from Compaq. Ah, man, I love this. What a beautiful machine. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look inside. And I'm gonna show you why I love this so much, because nostalgic love is just, you can't set a price on nostalgic love. All right. So this, let me just move the camera just a bit, guys. Sorry. But the first thing we have to take a look at is actually this label here. It's a bit dusty, but again, it's not clean. At this label here, you can see different jumper settings, and the fun part is, I mean, you can set VGA, enable, disable, internal, whatever. But down here it says processor configuration, DX, DX2, 487SX, Overdrive, and the different pin settings for the Overdrive processor. Should it run at 25 MHz or at 33 MHz? And here it has got 4 RAM sockets. And down here it says non-socketed processor is here if present, and over here it has got processor, coprocessor, socket, and the different settings for the jumpers. And if we take a look over here, guys, then you can see that it has got a Intel processor present, and it's an Intel 486SX 25 megahertz. So with this onboard CPU that's directly soldered on the motherboard, with this processor you can play Civilization, you can play SimCity, you can play Monkey Island, and have a lot of fun with this built-in CPU. Intel i486SX 25 megahertz. Now my Amiga 600 got sold, and I worked all winter, all summer, and I bought my first retro PC, which was a 486 DX4 100 megahertz. My retro PC is 100 megahertz era of gaming. So the 25 megahertz, I was an Amiga owner, I have no knowledge of that speed, that era of fun gaming. But this Overdrive CPU, oh man, I love this. So it has got installed this Overdrive Intel CPU, and it says Intel Overdrive DX4 100 megahertz. So this is a lot of nostalgic love for me. Most of my friends that want to buy this PC is actually because of they want this CPU and the socket. They want to use it on their own PCs and then just sell this one. I don't know. This is just beautiful as it is. Just leave it, guys. I only have one of these, and 1 hour after I upload this video, you guys will write to me, RETROCENGO, take my money, send it to Australia, send it to London. I know how you are, you will write it to me, but just let me keep this one because I love this computer. Okay, guys, it's so much nostalgic love for me. So, other than that, we're not done with the onboard stuff, because we have got this iSat sound card over here that's a bit dusty again. Can I? Yes, I can. This sound card is, let's just check out the chip here. The chip says Opti 82C933. Okay, we're gonna check it out. I don't know if the drivers are installed. Oh, it's a bit dusty. I know, guys, sorry. But the beautiful thing, this 486 DX4 100 megahertz, I played Command and Conquer. Okay, I played Red Alert, I played Doom at fastest frames per second, I played Duke Nukem. So this era of gaming is just one of the best for me. And for MS-DOS, the best graphic card you could ever imagine was T-Sing or Tseng or whatever you want to call it. And this is Tseng ET4000. The best of the best for MS-DOS gaming. Now, one of you guys will write, no, this one was better, but who gives? In my opinion, Tseng ET4000 onboard graphic card here. Maybe these two are, you know, I will just discharge myself. 512K of RAM or 1 megabyte video RAM, maybe 2 megabyte. I think this is from 95. Maybe it has got built-in 2 megabyte of graphic card RAM. So I love this combination. Okay, with 3 ISO slots, I can put in a A64 Gold here and have the greatest sound ever. I can use my Dream Blaster and emulate, you know, MIDI and play all sort of cool games that require 100 megahertz. So beautiful stuff. I love everything about it. I mean, unclean, I know, but still, wow, it doesn't look that much used. I mean, I'm impressed. Okay, this is an I don't know, 25-year-old computer. Looks okay to me. We've got the floppy drive. We've got the AT power supply here. We have got this hard disk. It will be replaced. I want to use the IDE to Compaq flash adapters and put in a Compaq flash card and use that instead of this noisy hard disk. But for this purpose, on this video, we're gonna power this one on and see what's inside. And we have got RAM that you can't see there. Let's just remove this one. And it looks like, yeah, all 4 RAM banks are fully populated. So let's see how many megabytes of RAM. And over here we got the lithium battery, no battery damage. So that's again, wow, pure awesomeness. So guys, this is how it looks inside. So let's just plug this one on in and to a monitor and see if it works. Again, I got it back in, I think it was in 2019. I don't remember, guys, many years ago. So let's see if it even boots. Maybe it's an empty hard disk, I don't know, guys, but I love this PC. And some of you guys from this era of gaming, you know what I'm talking about. So let's give it some power. Oh, that hard disk sound. Okay, it's counting the RAM. Can you see up top? Yes, you can. It says 16 megabyte of RAM. I only had 4 megabyte on my DX4 100 megahertz, and I upgraded to 8 megabyte for playing Command and Conquer. So let's see, old computer, have I messed around with it? Yes, this is from PhilsComputerLab. Now I can choose extended memory, conventional memory, mouse on, mouse off. This is from PhilsComputerLab. Go ahead and download this MS-DOS startup. I love that guy, love his YouTube channel, PhilsComputerLab. Mouse is installed, universal. Oh, the driver, it's called UNISOUND. Now, that UNISOUND driver, you can get it at PhilsComputerLab now, and it says Opti Audio 16, Opti 03931, and yeah, beautiful stuff, man. Oh, I have been messing around with this last year, man, summer. Okay. So let's see. Check CPU. Was it? Yeah. I mean, I'm an old guy. I don't remember anything. Intel 486 DX4. How is the screen? Can you read it? Yes, you can. At 100 megahertz, clock multiplier 3, at bus speed 33 megahertz. It runs at 100 megahertz. This beautiful Overdrive. Oh, I love this computer. Oh, not that many games. Let's just check out the, was it stunts? Yeah. Oh! Oh, it sounds amazing! Wow, I love this computer. I love it. Okay, this is the sound of the Opti 16. What a great sound! Wow! Let me just... Wow, it sounds great! Oh man, pure awesomeness, pure 90s. I love it! Oh, it's... Yeah, there we go, full screen. Oh, I love this. Alright. Yeah, beautiful stuff. Exit to dust, please. Why? No, it's not 16:9, it's 4:3, so it's all good. Let's check Adlib. Oh! Oh! It sounds amazing! Wow! Guys, thank you for watching. Oh! Oh, it's so good! Damn it, it's so good! Alright, so this is part 1, and I hope you will subscribe and enjoy part 2 when we disassemble everything and clean this beautiful, beautiful computer. Now you know I don't want to sell it. Now you know why it is so awesome. And I'm gonna keep this sound card. It sounds amazing. I love it. Oh, it's nice, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Wow. It's an amazing computer, guys. Wow, man. I'm just, yeah. All right. Have a nice day out there. RETROCENGO out.